Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is article. There will be multiple choice question and each question is carrying 1 mark and all the question will be in the form of a fill in the blank. So let's start solving the question together. The first question is, I saw dash eagle flying high in the sky. Options are a and the one. So kindly go through your option and choose the correct article to fill in the blank. Okay, remember to choose only the article because these are article questions. Okay, so which one is the correct option? The correct option is option B, an. Okay, let's read the sentence together. I saw an eagle flying high in the sky. Second question. He found dash old coin under the bed. Options to fill this blank are and, the, a, no article. So which option should I fill over here or which article should I fill over here to complete the sentence? Is it option A, is it B, is it C, or you think is it D? Which one is the correct option? Those are saying option A and are absolutely right. Well done, and don't forget to give yourself 1 mark for each correct answer. Okay, let's read the answer sentence together. He found an old coin under the bed. Okay, question number 3. We visited dash Taj Mahal last winter. Option to fill this blank are a, the, and some. These are the 4 options. Now choose the correct article to fill in this blank. And the correct option is option B, the. Let's read the sentence together. We visited the Taj Mahal last winter. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4 is, she wants to be dash astronaut when she grows up. Which article should I fill in this blank? Options given are a, the, and no article. So these are the 4 options. Choose your correct option out of these 4 options. The correct option is option C, an. Okay, let's read the sentence together. She wants to be an astronaut when she grows up. Next question. Question number 5. I bought dash umbrella and a raincoat. Which article should I fill in this blank? Options are the, a, and one. These are the 4 options. Now quickly choose the correct option out of these 4 options. And the correct option is option C, an. Okay, let's read the sentence together. I bought an umbrella and a raincoat. Now before I move on to the next question, I have a tiny task for you. Mention in the comment section below your favorite English grammar topic. I would really like to know. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, we saw dash elephant and dash zebra at the zoo. Here you have been given 2 blank spaces and therefore the option is also having, each option having 2 words. So let's look at the option. The, a, and a, and the. These are the 4 options. Go through your sentence, go through your option and choose your correct option out of these 4 options. And the correct option is option C, and a. Okay, let's read the sentence together. We saw an elephant and a zebra at the zoo. And if you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question is carrying 1 mark and keep counting your marks. Okay. Question number 7. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. Which article should I fill in this blank? Options are an, a, the, some. These are the 4 options. Now quickly choose the correct option out of these 4 options. And the correct option is option C, the. Okay, let's read the sentence together. The moon looks beautiful tonight. Okay, question number 8. My father gave me dash useful gift. Which article should I fill in this blank to complete the sentence? Options are a, and, the, one. These are the 4 options. Choose your correct article out of these 4 options. Those who are saying option A, are absolutely right. Well done. Okay, let's read the sentence together. My father gave me a useful gift. Okay, now our next question number 9. Question number 9 is, they saw dash unusual bird near the lake. Options to fill this blank are an, the, a, some. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is the correct option? And the correct option is option A, an. Okay? Okay, let's read this sentence together. They saw an unusual bird near the lake. So we have reached the last question, question number 10. Question number 10 is, Dash Nile is the strongest river in the world. Which article should I fill in this blank? Options given are a, and, the, one. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my videos useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below your total score out of 10. Okay, now coming back to the question, these are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Those who are saying option C, the, are absolutely right. Well done all of you. I'm so proud of you. Let's read the sentence together. The Nile is the longest river in the world. With that, we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.